do it.
Come on, stop moving. Just do it.
Swallow it all. And just... You're already lost. All of it's coming out. You're already lost.
Let me see. Do it. I think she lost half of it.
She already did. Don't puke on me. You can spit it out if you don't want it.
It's good for your heart.
It was not.
Good for your heart.
It took me like 5 minutes to take that down.
You should have gave her a whole freaking teaspoonful.
Like I did. I took the whole thing.
Let me see your tongue. It's all still fit in her mouth. It's a big old gob.
You want a toothbrush after this?
Let me see.
Let me see your tongue. I want to see your tongue.
No one for it.
That's my face. Hey, I showed my tongue when I did it. Wait, look. Look up. Look up. Look up. Looks like someone took a crap in your feet.
She just has her big brown cheek. Remember when Dad did it? It came out of his nose and it came out everywhere.
Can't swallow it.
Let me see your tongue.
That's how much you need to see.
I need some.